Good day, folks. I was about to go out to the spot that I was at last episode, and then I found this. I was gonna shovel all day and just dig a hole in the other spot, but I'd rather mess around with a bedrock and do things here. Hope you enjoy. Probably going to end up down there by the end of the day, somewhere where it starts fanning out a little bit. You crazy. So we're going to move upriver behind me, and I want to show you something. You see all the sandy silt stuff right here? When the water's moving, the bank over here is all eroded, so that water's just rushing in a flood. This was way higher. And picture at least 10, 12, 14 feet. It was high though during the floods. Anyway, the water's rushing this way. As it does, it started dropping all the heavier rocks right here after the bedrock. There's a little bit of gravelly stuff in here, but I'm looking for where the gravel's picked back up. So we're coming out of the silt, and we're coming right back into gravels, right in here. If I go test this, you'll notice there's some bigger coarse stuff right here and some little fines. If I come over here, it's a lot less black sands, and it's not as coarse as over here. So I look back at the river. If the main flow is trying to fight its way down this way, but the flood's pushing the water this way, you're going to get a V right here. And that's why you have that drop off, and that's why you have more coarse black sands right here than only maybe 5 feet away. I'm going to dig here. Where I was finding coarse black sands, there's a piece already starting to show up. I'm going to pan out the rest of this. Cool looking little piece so far. All right, here's that piece, and this is only on the surface where I was finding coarse black sands. Something to keep in mind. Another thing to keep in mind too is if you are in really heavy black sands like this is, real big coarse black sands, don't fill your buckets all the way, because heavy black sands, extremely heavy buckets. So these are the little 3.5 gallon buckets that I always use. They're about 3/4, 5/8 of the way full. But even with that, these probably weigh 80 pounds. So it's like, you know, if I filled that a little bit more, I don't know, these 100 pounds, this stuff is extremely heavy. So I'm coming into the gray mucky stuff. Every time I find this stuff, I usually find gold. So the hole, I'm just working from there, that way. This place is blowing my mind. It's just awesome. Let's take a walk up real quick. Huge crevice in here. So here's that clean out. We'll get some more buckets. So I'm digging right here now. I was digging over there, but now I'm digging here, and there's bedrock. You can see the sun shining on it right here. The bedrock here just keeps continuing down, down, down. I want to see if I can find the bottom of the bedrock right here, where the beginning of this gravel bar starts. Just ran 2 buckets, so some more pieces. I'm gonna keep digging that bedrock underwater. Another 2 bucket run. I'm getting some fine gold. So I'm finding it in both locations, so I'm gonna hit this gravel bar right in front of me, right here. All right, here's some little tiny bits from that gravel bar. So I'm gonna get ready to pack up here. Look at this thing with the spikes all over it. Nice. Just packing up my gear to get out of here. I gotta get past this brush stuff, get to the slopes over there, and then go up the slopes and then through the maze. The forest is all swamps, briar. It's just, this place is kind of crazy. But there's plenty of time left. There's like 3 hours of daylight, so. It's just a muddy disaster, these slopes. I followed a deer trail in. It's right here. Thanks for watching. Be well.